Hi, in this video we are going to show you how to create walls and columns in modeling. Before doing that, we need to draw a grid which is made of crossing axes that helps positioning walls and columns. We can see how it works from the top view later. Now let's define the dimensions for the south end. Then define the number of axes. This dimension represents the distance between two axes. Now let's finish the rest. Now here we can actually copy these numbers to the other side. Now the other end, number of axes, edit and copy it. Check it over, confirm. And back here let's set a base point for this grid to stand on. Left click to show the grid. Now you can see the blue lines show up out there on the axis of the grid. Now let's put out the dimensions for each end. Choose dimension, drop down the menu and pick on linear axis. Now here we can enter A to label it from the alphabet A. In this way the distance between adjacent axes have displayed. Now let's do it over to show those on the other side. Now let's type in 1 to label it from the number 1. And there you go. It's kind of like a coordinate system for this building. Now I'm going to draw some walls based on the grid we just drew. And firstly, let's switch the perspective from 4 views to the top and 3D view. Use perspective setting function. Then choose grid based wall function. Next, what we need to do is simply pick the area between two endpoints. The lines between 2 points will become red. And follow this step, finish the rest of the lines. Then right click to confirm. There comes the wall. Then we may change dimension for the wall like height and thickness. In this case I'm gonna make these walls higher and thicker, as there will be 2 floors inside the house. We can change dimension for one wall. Then copy them for the rest. Let's box the whole house. Right click to confirm. Okay, now we got our walls here. Then I'm going to put in some columns based on the axis. Firstly, drop down the menu of structure. I'm going to use square column and base them on the axis. We change its height as we did earlier on the walls. We box the intersections we want to put these columns. Right click to confirm the column comes. And I need more shorter columns for the outside. So let's repeat the steps, but lower down the height a little bit. Box these intersections. Right click to confirm. There it comes. Okay, now we can get back to the standard 4 views and finish.